Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all ways you can make a screenshot or record your screen on your OnePlus 10 Pro, but it also works on any OnePlus 10 series. So in order to take the screenshot, you will need to press the lock key and the volume down key at the same time, like that. And the screenshot is taken. Now the next option is to swipe down 3 fingers from the top of the screen, and that way we'll make a screenshot. But if it doesn't work for you, you will need to go to the settings, scroll down, find the system settings, from here gesture and motions, and make sure that swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot is enabled. Now to record the screen, we'll need to scroll down our toolbar. Now scroll down again, go to the next step, and from here go to screen recording. Now you can start recording by pressing on the shutter. You can press on the settings and either disable or enable record system sound or record microphone sound. Now press the shutter to start recording. If you want to stop but not pause the entire video, you will need to press on the pause button. Now in order to resume, press the play button. Now to actually save the recording, you will need to press the shutter again. Our recording is saved in our gallery and we can see it here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.